Kani gade ka pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hennen kasngi ka khanreu trek ubnai rampang, ka waina ki jaka dekali ka bahakani ka Nongbah Shillong, ka badie ki kali jong ka company Datsun. Kala Sdang bande pat ba saya ka wai pat ka kali ka badang permit Thymmai jong kani ka company. Ka balatep kum ka Datsun Redi Go Smart Drive Auto. Ya kani ka kali la plat pat ba ha kani ka jalla hennen kasngi. Hai ka jingelang ka baralong ha showroom jong ka jaka dekali ka badan ha kani ka Nongbah Shillong. Dau director jong ka Nissan Motor Indian Private Limited u Jerome Saigon u balai thoru halor ka kom sandor ya kani ka kali ringkat sibon ke jing mentoy yakin nong thien. Hari India borok ka wai kani ka kali la penbana bat sedang bande pat ba nadu ka arpulai trek u banai kala lingkot barala mentau snam. Ha Delhi bat ka dor sedang jong kani ka kali kedai lailak prapo hajar nrus pa tingka.
So once again, this is the moment, the historical moment that we are going to launch our new exciting product, new Datsun Redi Go Smart Drive Auto 1.0 liter engine. Let me introduce Redi Go AMT, Datsun Redi Go AMT. It came in the picture because of so many reasons. Let me name some of those reasons. Why AMT has been introduced in India, why it is introduced in Shillong. Main thing, because of the traffic. Everyone knows the traffic in Shillong. This traffic carriers, lots of traffic, everyone's talking about traffic. Because of that, and one more thing, because of the comfort. Comfort, driving a Redi Go 1 liter engine AMT, you'll have lots of, peace of mind and the comfort and also the convenient.
He had a new idea to relaunch Datsun back in the third world countries. So he launched this Datsun brand again in India, starting with India. Oragadam, Chennai factory was established under the Prime Minister Make India Yojana. So in 2014, the flagship car, the 1200cc, this Datsun Go was launched. The first car Datsun car in India, and it was a big success given its price, performance, quality, and its after-sale service warranty. It was a big hit, good reception from the market, the customers. After that, the company thought we should make it a bigger, better version. The Go Plus came, the 7-seater, the first family car wagon in India. So that was another landmark, a big achievement for us. And keeping in view the market and the customers, India being a poor country, third world country, Nissan Datsun thought we should launch a smaller, more affordable car. The Redi Go came out. The Redi Go, just starting with 2.41 at that time. It was another super hit, big hit. We have sold close to a lakh vehicles of Redi Go. And now today we are launching this top version, the automated version, which we think will change the way we drive, experience car ownership, hassle-free clutch system.